Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back. Well, I'm excited. I think I'm going to get to do like a full day's work in the shed today. It's been weeks and it feels kind of weird, but I'm excited about it. Yeah.
I am too, because we've gotten kind of lucky over the past few weeks because we haven't listed much at all.
Right.
And we've gotten lucky in that we've been selling a lot of our higher value, higher dollar stuff.
That's been listed a little while, yeah.
So we've been really fortunate. Our sales have stayed pretty decent for the amount of work we've been putting in. I'll say that.
Yeah.
But that's going to catch up with us if we don't start listing again really hard. So
my plan today is to tackle this pile over here from last weekend, the stuff we picked up. I've already started those Melissa and Doug puzzles. I just looked them all up, what they are worth individually. I'm going to make one lot and give somebody a really good deal. So
yeah. And I've been kind of working through video game stuff here yesterday. But yeah, we do have a few orders to pull. Yesterday was a slower sales day. For sure, but we need to get this stuff out.
Yep, so we sold on eBay and then on Macari, and later this afternoon we have a Facebook marketplace we're not buying, we're selling, that we're meeting someone up for, and possibly another, so we'll keep y'all up to date on that. We're going to start out with eBay. Pocket 76 is our first item. It's a Digimon Sarah Ruman figure. I know I'm butchering that name. It's a dog. Or a dog or a wolf creature or something.
Look how small that is.
Yeah. $26.99 for that.
We got man, that's so crazy.
I know.
We got a bunch of Digimon stuff from our guy a couple of years ago.
It's been about 2 years, or a year and a half. Killer buy, like a big bags of them. And
we still have like not a ton left, but we still have some.
That stuff was good. Yeah. Okay, next order has 2 items on it. A Raising Cane's University crew shirt, 5 Alpha number 19. So it's probably in a box up top.
5 Alpha.
Yeah, we're going to need to get a box down. Probably a big old one up there.
No, that's the rest of your Joe stuff there. 5 Alpha 19.
I bet it's in the jeans box.
It's going to be here.
Yeah.
Because this was over here and we moved. Okay, I'll be right back.
Sorry, so we got a little box down, our little filing system here. I don't think they're in order though.
No?
They might be, I don't know.
17, 18.
No, it's the last one. Okay.
All right.
2X is what we're looking for, and that is correct.
Okay, I'll go and put this back up.
And then also in that order, we sold some yarn, a lot of 9 yarns. 4 Foxtrot Y1.
Okay. Oh, look, it's right in front of me. That was fortunate. Oh, I forgot about all that yarn you got that time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's from Bev, huh?
Right, we picked all that up from Bev. Yeah, that's a lot of 9 white yarns, roll skeins, I don't know. So those 2 things together sold for $44.98. Next item, item 6 Charlie Looney Tunes for GameCube.
Okay.
Back in action, 6 Charlie.
Yeah, that's some of the games I listed yesterday. Here we go. Got it.
$9.99 for that.
All right.
10 Echo Michigan State hat, Nike hat. 10 Echo Outback Bowl.
Outback. That is Outback. Perfect.
$14.99 for that one. The next order has 3 video games on it, all on 6 Charlie. PlayStation 2 Crash Nitro Kart.
Okay, got it.
PlayStation 2 Simpsons Road Rage.
Okay.
And PlayStation 3 Jack 3.
Wait. PlayStation 3?
PlayStation 2 Jack 3.
Okay, got it. Okay, you scared me because I've got a Jack 3 for PlayStation 2, but not the other one.
That's right.
Okay.
So those 3 together, $30.97.
Okay.
And then our last eBay item is a magazine, Hobbit 28, Plaid Stallions Toy Adventures.
28. Okay. I don't even know what kind of book this is. Okay, we have it though.
It's like it's about toys, like G.I. Joe,
Mego, Bubble Trouble.
Yeah, it's about just different toys.
Like fan fiction or something?
I guess.
Okay.
And then on Macari, we sold a lot of 5 of those Summit Racing stickers, 5 sheets. Yep, so we're gonna get them. They're down underneath stuff, I think.
Yeah, they had a tendency to curl up.
Right.
So, well, why don't you go and grab them? They had a tendency to curl up, so I want to put something heavy on top of them. That's why they're down. Look, they're not curled at all. They're flat.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, good. I took a lower offer on those because, quite honestly, they have not been selling. So.
Not really that low. Just $1 less. We sold them for $8 plus ship.
Yep. And we do get the whole $8 on those.
Right, that's Macari, so there's no fees. That's straight profit there.
Okay, so that's all we have going out today. Well, right after we quit rolling, we did sell one more thing. So let's go ahead and pull it.
Yeah, we sold some French onion soup in the guy drawer. Paka paka.
Okay. Go ahead and get this out. I can find it. Just give me a minute. If it's in here, I can find it.
Let me know when you need help.
Okay. All right. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna find it. Oh, it's right here.
You touched it.
Okay. Yep. That's definitely an onion. I can't tell if it's French or not, but
it's a girl too.
Yeah. I like how it has the little. Is it a tomato up there or something?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
$19.99 for that one.
Okay. Now I'm gonna get the stuff packed up. All right. I got that stuff all packed and ready for the carrier to pick up. And while I was doing that, we sold a couple more things. It's Friday. Might as well pull it, Candace.
It's Friday. It's still fairly early, so we're going to get these orders out so they don't have to wait till Monday for us to ship them.
Right on.
First thing is in the Digimon drawer. It's a I think it's pronounced Titian pear skipper. Strawberry
This
blonde.
is her here?
Yes.
Okay.
$44.99 for that.
Okay. Wow. That's an old one. Straight leg, huh?
Yeah,
straight leg. They call it.
Yep, one of the originals. And then 8 Echo fondue set. It was new open box, but the box was so destroyed. I didn't even include it.
Let's see. You probably trying to tilt it. Echo. Oh, this is it right here. Okay. It's not heavy.
No, it's
like metal.
Yeah, it's aluminum, I guess.
Okay.
A bunch of little pieces. Yeah, it's not bad. And that's all for $29.99.
Okay, I'll go ahead and get this stuff packed. And now if we include this stuff, we didn't have too bad of a sales day. Of course, we're kind of stealing from Monday.
So remember that in the next video if the sales aren't great.
All right, it is a couple of days later, and well, we didn't go to garage sales on Friday, and Saturday there were just like 7, and they were like real spread out.
Yeah, it was like we would have been doing a lot of driving for a few sales, and we just didn't want to do that.
Nope. No. So instead of going to garage sales, we were on season 31. We've been binge watching Amazing Race. We were on, I think it was 31 or 30, 31.
Right. Yeah.
And we watched like most of that season yesterday. We sat around on the couch, and then we even started another season too.
Yep. Yeah, because we haven't been able to really watch the last few weeks, so we made up for lost time.
Did we ever?
So today is Sunday, and we went to 4 estate sales this morning, and we found some pretty interesting things.
Yeah, we spent a lot of money. We actually spent like $500 about.
Most of that was at one sale.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to show y'all those things, but first we're going to show you just the miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah, we didn't buy a ton other than a couple of buys.
Yeah. So
So this is a Carhartt hunting jacket in just really nice condition.
yeah.
And I thought it was really nice. We spent $27 on this, and I'm not 100% certain what we're gonna get for it. I'm thinking about 100 though. That's what I'm thinking.
Looks, I mean, I don't even know if it ever got worn. Of course, you can't sell it as new, but
no,
it's immaculate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's real nice. And then I found this in a closet. It's new sealed, and it's got the 4 CD set. When I looked this up, people sell just this CD set for like $20, but this has this journal or something in there too that's new, and it had an original price of $50 on the back there, and we paid $5 for it today.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking at least 30, maybe a little more, maybe 40, something like that for that. Self-help stuff.
Bible you got here: New American Standard Bible, side margin reference concordance Bible.
Isn't it a nice looking Bible?
It is. It's a good size too.
Yeah. And the I did look. It's not filled. The pages aren't filled out or anything.
Like the dedication and all that.
Right.
Yeah.
It's got a real nice. It's got a real interesting cover to it.
That looks like bonded leather to me.
Yeah, but it's got like a cool texture.
Yeah, it's like not pebble. Oh no, yeah, it's bonded leather lined, genuine leather outside.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we paid $5 for that. It was half a 10.
This is some Rogers flatware. This is the extra plate, silver plate. I paid $20 for all this, and it's in pretty good condition.
Looks like it.
Yeah. There's no corrosion. It could use, like just probably a polishing cloth will do it. But yeah, $20 for all these pieces here.
Okay. Yeah. No, you did good on that.
Yeah.
Because I know just from. Oh, it does look really nice. That extra plate you can actually kind of see the difference.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, we bought those things, and then everything else is just like one. Oh wait, no, you got one more piece.
Oh yeah. Hello, Buckaroos. I forgot this was up here. We paid We paid $7.50 for this.
Look at that.
Isn't this the coolest thing? Just this little kid's Western outfit. I'm not sure when it's from. This is like, the fringe is like faux leather.
I wonder if somebody made this.
It does have a homemade look to me.
It's very well done though.
It is with the embroidery.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. I just love the look.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
For $7.50, like I'm not usually into stuff like that, but I was like, Candace, look at that, and she was like, yeah, we gotta buy that. How
I
cool.
had like the little suede, some chaps and stuff, but they were like really stained up, so we left those behind.
All right, let's get the other stuff out. Okay, this next thing, believe it or not, this is my idea. Although I think Candace would have gotten to this point too.
Yeah.
With this.
Yeah. These are all Ladro figurines, and they're all ballerina themed. No, this one is not. We picked this up for my mother-in-law. She collects Siamese cats.
Yeah, my mom likes that.
Yeah, so when we see little things like this, we pick them up for her. So
What brand is it?
it's no brand on there. So it probably once had a sticker, but it's gone.
Yeah, she's had a Siamese cat. She's had at least one Siamese cat she's owned since she was 25.
Yeah.
And she's 74 now. So how many years is that?
50.
Yeah. And that's like three generations of Siamese cats she's had.
Yeah.
Not all the same family. But
Right. Yeah, but she always has a Siamese cat. At least one.
Siamese cats are a no-brainer for us.
Yes.
And she tells us, if you see them, whenever y'all go to these sales, if you see a cool-looking Siamese cat, bring it home. I'll pay you for it.
She also does. She has some Ladro figurines herself, and it's funny. We actually bought her this exact one for Christmas last year.
Yeah.
Because she likes other cat figurines too, and I just thought it was cute. Kind of reminded me of the girls when they were little.
Yes. Yep.
So but we bought all these Ladro. There's 18 of them, and we bought them. They were marked, and she figured them out. It was 50% off day, and then she gave us an extra 5% off of that. And I will say, I think she marked them very fairly originally.
I think she was.
A lot of them were like below eBay price.
Substantially below.
So yeah, I think
like for instance, this one is called Shy Dancer. Mm-hmm. This big one. There are, I think that's what it's called. There are 2 actives, one at $449 and one at $673. Mm-hmm. And I could not find a sold. There might be one on Worth Point.
Yeah.
We may end up getting Worth Point for a month if we need to.
Yeah.
For this, we'll see.
Yeah.
We may or may not need to.
Because some of these are older. They're from the 70s and 80s. But yeah, she had her marked for 100.
Okay, so we paid like 45 for this one.
Right.
And you know, like let's see.
This one right here, you found a comp. It sold for 100.
Yeah, that one sold for 100.
She had it marked originally for 80.
Okay, so we had to pay like, we were into that one for like 35 or something like that.
Yep.
This one, I don't even know. That she took all the tags off because she had to keep them.
Yeah.
But I'll tell y'all, her prices came up to $927. We ended up paying $417.
Yeah.
So we didn't get a deep discount, but we got less than half.
Right, right.
And like this one sold last month for 130.
Yeah.
This one sold last month for 169, but they took a best offer. So I don't know, and I really don't feel like she went through and looked all these up.
No, definitely not.
Because they're like, each one is kind of named, but the name isn't on. I couldn't see. There are some numbers and stuff we can maybe work with.
Right.
But yeah, I highly doubt that she looked each one of these up individually.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna do gangbusters. Like if we get somewhere around 400 for that one,
that's most of the money right there.
It'll pay for the rest.
Yeah.
So
the only downside is she didn't have the original boxes.
Right.
So yeah, some of them have very delicate parts, as you can see. Like, look how this is like thin bisque porcelain. These petals,
it's and like scallops.
Yeah, and all these little flowers, and yeah. So
there's not a whole lot of these flowers, and man, I couldn't believe it because when we were packing these up,
look on her headband right here, how delicate. Yeah.
Those. Yeah. There's several with these little flowers.
She's holding.
Look at that. How did that not break?
Right.
They did not have the boxes for these, like Candace said. All we had to work with, we still have some on the floor, newspaper, and we used quite a few sheets on each piece. It took us a good 20 minutes probably to pack them all up, and then we had boxes. Look, this is the rest of the newspaper we used. And then we had a couple of boxes. We got them out, and I was like, really...
Every little bump driving down the road.
I was going, Candace, have you seen me drive that slow and carefully?
No.
I was driving like old grandpa. And whenever we unloaded them, I was just holding my breath. I knew we were going to have some bad break.
He told me on the way home, he said, I mean, I'm not going to be that disappointed if we have a couple of broken ones. You know, I'm expecting it. And they all made it.
No, we didn't have nothing that we saw.
Yeah.
So... yeah, I feel good about this. I feel really good about this.
And it's good timing. We're going into the fourth quarter gift giving season.
Not too long from now, huh?
Right.
Oh, yeah. Now's the time to load up.
Right.
Yeah. So, and when we can get 18 pieces of inventory at a good price, all in one fell swoop, rather than having to buy onesies, twosies at garage sales, that makes a difference for me too.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I think this was awesome buy. We're gonna track this this part, and see how we do with it, so we can let the people know.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that is gonna be it for this. We're gonna go. Shoot, it's just like noon right now, so we got the rest of our day off. But we're gonna go.
I'm going school supply shopping.
Oh, that's right. We have school supplies. I forgot about that. But yeah, thanks a bunch for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.